so I got my hole dug all out. Nice. I got my markings done. This is going to be the finished edge here. So I got 3.5 inches here. That'll be the width of the 4x8s that come out. So now I'm going to roto hammer these little nailers in. So then I have something to screw into when I put these in. So I'm going to do both of these sides, roto hammer them in. One down, and then my 4x8 will sit right there, so I'll have something to nail to. And I put this 3 inches lower than the final, so that when I bury it with dirt, this will be covered, so you won't see this at all. And same with on this side. My nailing boards are anchored to the foundation. So now I'll just cut up my 4x8s and run them this way. Not bad. Okay, first course, make sure everything is square. That's these. It's a little off, but that's fine. And then also making sure that it's all level. Boom. Boom. Okay, so the first run, it's all square and level. So I'm just gonna build the other ones out. Build them in the little 3-sided deals and then just pop them into place. I just got 2 more to do and then I'm backfilling. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I got these 2 pieces of conduit here. The next piece I drop in, I'm just gonna notch and then just set that down on here. And that'll give it a little space so that each one can run up and do its own thing, because if they're right next to each other, it's it's going to be really hard. So I'll give them a little bit of space. So I'll make 2 separate notches there. Because I don't have a hole saw with me or a paddle bit or anything round. So I'm just going to have to make 2 little notches on my own. But we'll be good. Okay, my second course is done. Got my notching done. So those stick out nicely. So I'm just gonna cut more, get my third one done. Okay, so I don't have enough dirt for backfill, but I'll do that later. And then I got some uneven corners here, but it'll all be buried, and then I'm gonna put a cap on this. But the inside looks good. And then I hung our septic alarm there because that's where that piping will go. And the door still opens pretty much all the way, so that's kind of where we're gonna put it. But for now, I got a jet, I gotta catch the ferry. But I'll be back to backfill. I'll put some fresh gravel at the bottom.